This is lesson number 28 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology English channel. In this channel, with this lesson, we are learning about another family called Quartz family. This is part 1. Quartz family. Quartz family is very big family. There are a lot of beautiful gemstones here. So we need to compare first thing here. This is sapphire crystal. You know very well. This is amethyst. Amethyst is quartz. Both top and the bottom, both are amethyst. And this is beryl. You know already beryl family. Now look at the lines here. In this beryl, vertical or horizontal lines may be there. Sometimes vertical or horizontal and both visible in the crystal shape of beryl. Remember this. And the sapphire, we can see the horizontal lines in the crystal shape. Look at the horizontal lines. In beryl family, horizontal or vertical. This is vertical. In sapphire, only horizontal lines. In amethyst or quartz family, if it is a quartz, you can see like sapphire, maybe horizontal lines you can see visible. And the hexagonal shape also there. And the sapphire also hexagonal shape. So remember, quartz, white quartz will be complicated with white sapphire. I can see a lot of students are asking from me, those are white quartz, but they are talking about the white sapphire. So remember to understand. Now we are moving to first slide. You have to subscribe and give like or share. In this video, we are talking about the quartz family. It is lesson number 28. These are the varieties, major varieties in quartz. Look at the names. Rutilite, quartz. Presiolite, carnelian, smoky quartz, milky quartz, rose quartz, tiger's eye, chalcedony, citrine, motorolite, aventurine, onyx, agate, amethyst, jasper. All the 15 varieties are under the quartz family. In this quartz is one of the most common and varied minerals on earth. One of the common and varied mineral on earth. And its abundant colors produce many gemstone types. Amethyst and citrine are the most popular and valuable gem varieties of quartz, but other forms also make important gemstones. Chalcedony also quartz family describes any form of quartz that is microcrystalline. That means no crystal shapes visible. Chalcedony, there are no crystal shape, but quartz they have. Amethyst, citrine they have. Chalcedony also in the quartz family, but you can't visible crystals because it is microcrystalline. But it is a form of quartz. Chalcedony also has several varieties used as gemstones, most notably agate, carnelian, tiger's eye, and chrysoprase. These are the main varieties. And here I explain the hardness is 7. Crystal system is hexagonal. It is like sapphire. Ri, refractive index is this. Sg, specific gravity is this. Transparency, transparent to translucent, there are 2. Double refraction, yes. Mineral class, quartz. Luster, it is vitreous. Glass-like. Cleavage, indissimible. It is very famous. We can identify with the cleavage of the quartz. Then we are moving here. It is white quartz. It is pure quartz. Pure quartz is no color, which is known as rock crystal. Another name for pure quartz is rock crystal. Is colorless. Various impurities are responsible for the extensive range of colors like other gemstones. The main crystalline quartz varieties used as gemstones are described below. Number 1, rock crystal. This is cut and polished rock crystal in Ruang Valley Saya, Ruang Valley Dagat. These are the rock crystals used as cut and polished. The colorless transparent variety of quartz free of any impurities is known as rock crystal. Flawless and very large cuts may be cut from rock crystal to use Buddhist temples, used in Buddhist temples. This is in Sri Lanka's very famous Ruang Valley Saya, historical place that Buddhists are worships. This is the rock crystal used in Ruang Valley Saya. This is another one, cut and polished. This is natural crystal cluster. See the hexagonal shape, and sometimes you can see the vertical lines also, like sapphire, natural crystals. Then we are moving to second variety. The first one is rock crystal. Second one is amethyst. Amethyst, the purple variety, is the most popular and valuable quartz gemstone. Amethyst ranges from light to dark purple. It is ranging from light to dark purple. Tumbled amethyst with white milky quartz is sometimes known as amethyst quartz. Look at this amethyst cluster. Amethyst cluster. Look at here. Purple, shiny in nature and has a yellow tint when turned. Amethyst may be heat treated to deepen the purple color. So you can see deep color amethyst, all are heat treated. But in Sri Lanka now, there are a lot of Bangkok made diffuse amethyst. It is a nice business in Sri Lanka now. Everybody buys from the unknown person. All are synthetic. If they check with Gem Corporation, they are giving the name amethyst only. They don't write it is synthetic or man-made. But all are synthetics. Beware. Be careful. Amethyst is heat treated to enhance its color. Amethyst from special regions, heat treated, produces many citrines and green amethyst are known as preciolite. Green amethyst is preciolite. Look at the amethyst colors. Look, another amethyst, deep color. Here, this is sapphire. Corundum is also in crystalline form. Thus, the lines are formed across. This is beryl. In beryl family, there may be vertical or horizontal or both lines can see. This is amethyst. Look at the lines. You can compare and remember this. Okay. Now here, all are amethyst. Look at the rough. And look at the cut and polished. All are amethyst. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon, give like, share, and give a comment. Now the third one is preciolite. Preciolite, another name for that is green quartz. Preciolite or green quartz describes a light green quartz artificially colored by heat treatment or certain types of amethyst. To make green quartz, it is artificially colored by heat treatment of certain types of amethyst. We can't do it with all amethyst. Some types are there. May also be called green amethyst by some jewelers. It is actually heat treated of certain types, only the certain types of amethyst can make green quartz or green amethyst. Preciolite, light to emerald green. Color is light to emerald green, transparent to translucent. Quartz or chalcedony with coloring caused from inclusions of green minerals such as actinolite, edinburghite, chlorite, and malachite. All are transparent to translucent. Color in amethyst. Look at that. The purple color of amethyst is caused by trace amounts of iron or iron mineral inclusions within the quartz. Iron or iron mineral is the reason to get the purple color. This color is stable under most conditions at Earth's surface. However, if it is heated to high temperatures, the color can change. What happened? Most amethyst turns yellow when heated to about 700 and 470 degrees. Then you can turn it into yellow. Then it is called citrine. Then to a dark yellow or reddish brown at about 550 Celsius. These materials are sold as heat-treated citrine. See this is very important to you. Most amethyst turns yellow when heated up to 470 degrees. But if it is heated up to 550 degrees, it is reddish brown. Polar citrine. So remember that. Now look at here. Natural preciolite, rough and cut and polish. All are not heated, natural. Natural rough preciolite. See, cut and polish preciolite. Purple amethyst, green amethyst. Green amethyst come from heated one. It is 40.19 carat preciolite. It is green variety. Number 4, it is citrine. Citrine is the yellow, orange or reddish brown variety of quartz. Look at the colors. Rough, cut and polished, cut and polished. So citrine is the yellow, orange or reddish brown variety of quartz. It is usually colored by heat treatment of amethyst or smoky quartz. You know smoky quartz. When heated, it makes citrine. Light yellow or lemon yellow citrine is often called lemon quartz in the gem trade. So you can see this name. You can hear this name. Lemon quartz means lemon yellow citrine. Lemon quartz is a light to dark yellow citrine, distinguished from most citrine by lacking orange, brown, or reddish tints. If there are any tint, brown or orange or reddish tint, we have to remove the tint, then it becomes lemon quartz. More often, though, it is clear quartz that is irradiated to produce an intensely colored yellow gemstones. If we use irradiation, we can make intensely colored yellow gemstones. So it is done by human beings. Lemon quartz has recently experienced a popularity increase in the gemstone market because it is very beautiful. Now look at this heat-treated citrine. See the color. Citrine geode. Geode. This is called geode. This also geode, but the cluster is from inner to outside. Here, the cluster is from outside to inside, outer to inside. There are two types. Now, this is citrine, natural smoky citrine. When heated, it makes citrine yellow color. These are the cut and polish citrine and the dark color. Number 5, it is smoky quartz. Look at the smoky quartz. You can see the smoke inside the stone. See this twin crystal. See smoke. You can see the smoke inside the stone. We can get heat treated this to create yellow or brown, yellow smoky quartz. We can make citrine, yellow citrine. Smoky quartz is the brown smoky variety of quartz. It ranges in color from light brown to black. Despite its dark color, it is rarely opaque. It is rarely opaque. If you forget to subscribe, please subscribe, give like and share. Look at this. Number 6 is rose quartz. Rose quartz. This is called rose quartz. Rose quartz, you can identify. The rosy pink variety of quartz is known as rose quartz, and its color is usually soft, ranging from very light pink to medium pink in intensity. Rose quartz is often milky or hazy, and it may lack good transparency. See the cut. This is called briolate. Briolate. The cut is called briolate. If you go to training gem cutting, I told to go to gem cutting to understand how we cut gems, and you can get the complete practical knowledge about the cutting. If you want to do gem business, remember you need the cutting experience. So you have to train. Remember, it is compulsory. If not, you will go down. Then join us, learn and enrich your future. We are meeting on next lesson. It is Quartz Family Part 2, lesson number 29. Please subscribe and press the bell icon, like and share, give a comment and share this to other people who are willing to come to the gem industry after learning this free gemology degree. This is not a course. This is not a diploma. This is a degree. It is given by me free of charge to our youth. Now we are meeting on lesson number 29 next week, Saturday.